Hello and greetings. My name is Fahmi Castellow bin Hafiz and my matrix number is 74774 and we are Newtype. So in our project, which is a submarine specialized for fishing. So our submarine will contain 5 components of sensors. Most vital one is the sonar transducer. Sonar stands for sound, navigation and ranging. Sonar transducer is a device that transmits sonar signal, or which called pings, into water column and then receive the echoes from the transmission. And for example, the HCSRO4 ultrasonic sensor uses sonar to determine distance by object. This sensor reads from 2 cm to 400 cm with an accuracy of 0.3 cm, which is good for most hobbyist objects.
A good day to everyone. My name is Stavros Mattu Banggau with the metric number of 76887. Another sensor that I use on our fishing submarine robot is the subsea altimeter that is located on the underside of the submarine, of which it will send signal directly to the control device within the submarine as an indicator of the altitude measurement of the submarine. The altimeter allows underwater detection and survey equipment to be towed at a precise altitude above the seabed. This will ensure that the submarine will not reach the dangerous level of altitude that can endanger the submarine and the human operating it. This sensor is highly accurate. The use of a digital correlation echo detection technique combined with a highly sensitive composite transducer is what makes it high in accuracy. It operates on sonar technology where it would transmit a pulse of sound and times how long it takes for the sound to return.
Greetings everybody, I'm Anak. So one of the sensors that we'll be using in our fishing submarine robots is the motion sensors located at the robot's arm. An optical encoder is a motion sensor used in a modern day application that detects linear or rotary motion by converting displacement into a series of digital pulses. A suitable optical encoder for the fishing submarines with robot's arms would be a rotary encoder. These sensors measures the rotation of the robot's arms around a single axis, allowing for precise control of the arm's movements. The accuracy, repeatability, and precision of the optical encoder would depend on the specific model used. High-quality sensors can provide accurate and precise measurement with excellent repeatability. For example, a rotary encoder with 1024 pulses per revolution can accurately measure the arm positions with a resolution of 0.35 degrees. The specification of the optical encoder on a robot's arm would depend on the specific requirement of the fishing submarine. Sensors with high sensitivity and a wide temperature range would be ideal for use in the underwater environment. The optical encoder should also be able to communicate with the robot's arms control system and be able to withstand the rigors of use in the marine environment. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jeniffer, Anak Renggie with matrix number 75149. I represent about the oxygen sensor on our submarine fishing robot. The type of oxygen sensor that we use are electrochemical sensors. The sensor work by measuring the amount of oxygen in the surrounding environment through a chemical reaction. Electrochemical oxygen sensors are preferred because they are highly reliable and accurate even in extreme conditions such as high pressure and low temperatures. They provide real-time readings, which is essential for maintaining safe oxygen levels on a submarine. The advantage of electrochemical sensors is their low power consumption, which is important for submarines that rely on batteries for power, and they are relatively easy to maintain and calibrate. In general, electrochemical sensors for submarines are designed to have high accuracy, with readings that are typically within a few % of the actual concentration. Repeatability refers to how consistently the sensor produces the same readings when exposed to the same condition. They are important for ensuring that the sensor can be relied upon to produce consistent and accurate results over time. High precision is important for detecting small changes in the submarine environment, which can be critical for ensuring the safety of the crew. And some common sensor specification for submarine electrochemical sensor is sensitivity. It shows how sensitive the sensor is to changes in concentration. And response time show how quickly the sensor can detect changes in concentration. And last, pressure range, the range of pressure over which the sensor can be operated.
So hi, my name is Shafeeka Binti Othman, and the other sensor that we use in this robot is an underwater GPS G2, which is a new and improved version of the Explorer kit. where it provides an even more robust and reliable acoustic positioning system with a range of up to 300 meters. The purpose of this sensor is to give a live GPS position of ROVs, divers, and other moving objects below the water surface. The advantages of this sensor is it can work in the most challenging environments such as shallow water, inside tanks, or even inside fully populated fish farming cages. It obtains a global position and simple and quick updating of firmware or software. It also has a Wi-Fi connectivity.